Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool element around here, and basically what these are some portable electric kettles. If you can see, the one that we got is from this brand right here, and this is what the package looks like for both of these. So if you guys turn to the side, they probably got some specs and features on here. So if you can see, I do have two packages, and both of them are basically the same thing. It's just that one of them is yellow and one of them is green. So I'm actually opening both of them to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what she looks like inside. Let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. But once you guys open up, so we do have the brand logo, and we also have the power button for you to press to activate it. And you see the one that we got right here is the yellow design. Right here we do have a strap option for you to carry around really easily if you guys want to. Bottom part right here we do have the slot where to open it up. And that is where you plug in the cable to activate it. Bottom part we do have like the non-slip material, so that way when you guys put it on the table, it won't move around. Top part we do have the option for you guys to open up, so that way the steam can come out. You can probably use that to drink the water out or something. And then once you guys open up, here is basically what it looks like inside. So they do probably have the cable inside. So we're gonna take it out. Here is basically what the cable looks like. So let's unplug this in to activate it. Inside they do probably have the user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And that is basically what the inside looks like. And we see the material that's inside is stainless steel. And then based on what they mentioned, the lid on here is spill proof. So if you guys tilt the product, it shouldn't spill any water out. And we'll test that out in a second. But once you guys are done, you can close it back up and it's all set. So that is the first one, which is yellow color. Let me open the other one to show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. So pretty much the same thing inside. It's honestly wrapped up. But once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, this one is a green color, but everything on here is basically the same. We have the brand logo, the button right here. We do have the non-slip pad on the bottom. We do have the outlet right here, so that we can plug it in to activate it. We do have the strap for you guys to carry around really easily. But once you guys open up, here is what it looks like inside. So they also probably got the charging cable and also the user manual inside, but it is also stainless steel inside as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test it out to show you guys how the product works. And we'll also test out to see whether it actually spills any water out. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is open the cap and then pour your water inside. There is a max line, so you don't want to go above that max line. Alright, so that's the max. And if it's your first time using the product, you probably want to pour it a few times to make sure it's clean before you guys actually use the water. But once you guys got the water in, you guys want to seal it back up. Make sure it's fully sealed, even for the top part as well. If you guys try to pour the water out, it is spill resistant or spill proof, so that way none of the water comes out. But once you guys are ready to start boiling your water, you guys want to plug in the cable. So you guys want to open it up, plug it in. So once you guys plug it in, then start using it. So we just press it one time. A blue light pops on. And when you guys are boiling water, you guys want to open this part up, so that way the steam can come out. So they mentioned how it should take around like 5 minutes for the water to boil. So let's wait and see. Alright, so it's starting to boil. Alright, so let's see how the light turns off by itself once it's finished boiling. And if you guys try to turn it on again, it won't work, because it does have a sensor inside that detects like heat. So once the water is still hot, then you guys can't pour water again until you add cold water in, which is kind of cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test. The product, you definitely see actually does work, and actually works quite well. So you can see when you guys do boil water on here, it definitely boils pretty fast, especially because the product is not that big compared to your normal electric kettle. This one's actually pretty small, so that way you can use it as a personal electric kettle. And you can see when we spill the water out, none of the water comes out after you guys close the lid correctly, so it is spill proof. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable electric kettle that you use in your home, your office, when you guys are traveling, or anywhere else. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.